Dear students, today our topic is lightning safety. How we can protect ourselves from the lightning. As this lightning, it can be deadly and can cause destruction to life as well as destruction to property. One should not sit at an open place during lightning and thunderstorm. Hence, as soon as we hear any alert about lightning or thunderstorm, we should rush to a safe place such as a house or a building. If somebody is there in a car or bus, they should sit inside and keep all the doors and windows closed. One should reach inside the safe place until the storm lasts. Now, do's and do nots for lightning safety. First, we will learn about outdoor safety. One should not sit in an open place such as an open vehicle like a motorbike, tractor, or open fields, elevated places, or tall trees. One should not carry an umbrella during the storm. If a person is around a forest, they should hide under short trees. One should not get near to any poles of metallic objects. One should squat low on the ground instead of lying down. Now, indoor safety. Lightning is an electric discharge, hence one should stay away from the electrical wires, telephones, cables, and metal pipes during a thunderstorm. One may use a cordless phone or a mobile phone in an emergency. One should not come in contact with the running water, hence one should avoid bathing. One should unplug all the electrical appliances in the house, for example, TV, computers, or music systems. Electrical lights do not cause any harm and hence they can be kept on. Lightning conductor, it protects tall buildings from lightning. When the building is being constructed, a metallic rod having height more than the building is placed in the walls of the building. One end of the rod is in the air while the other end is buried inside the earth. This rod is a conductor and hence during lightning it allows the flow of electric charge to the ground. The lightning conductor rod consists of pointed ends which are made up of the copper wire. These copper wires are brought down along the building and are attached to the metallic plate in the ground. If lightning hits the building, the copper wires carry these charges quickly to the ground and the building remains safe. Thank you.